Hello students, welcome to my zoology class. This is Akmal Hussain, lecturer biology, Square High School and College. Now I am going to take a zoology class of standard 7 chapter 5. Today's topics are digestion of food and enzyme. We can see different types of vegetables, fruits, protein and fat enriched food. What will we learn from this class? We will be able to know about digestion of food, saliva and enzyme. Food. What is food? Food is any substance consumed to provide nutritional support for an enzyme organism. That means food is the element or substance which consists of nutrient. Food contains essential nutrients such as carbohydrate, fats, protein, vitamins or minerals. The foods that we take are mostly complex foods. These complex foods can't be utilized directly by our body. Cell is the smallest unit of physiological function. What is physiological functions? The functions which done into our body is called physiological functions. As for example, digestion, blood circulation, respiration, etc. Every cell needs food and oxygen to remain alive. Few useless and harmful substances are produced during metabolic activities. What is metabolic activities or metabolism? The process through which energy is produced from the food as well as remove the useless part of food is called metabolism. The removal of such substances is very much essential. Digestion. Digestion is the breakdown of large insoluble food molecules into small water-soluble food molecules so that they can be absorbed by our body. In human, these smaller substances are absorbed through the small intestine. That means digestion is the process through which complex food particles converted into simple and absorbable form of our body. Digestion of food. Food is necessary to remain alive. There are some questions on your text. You have learnt these answers of these questions in class 6 chapter 13. We will know about the changes of food that occurs in our body. Different types of foods are there. These foods are complex. After taking the food, our digestive system helps to break down these food particles into simple and absorbable form. Then digestive system also absorb the simple form of food and send it into our each and every cell by the help of blood. Then the simple food of cell react with oxygen and produce energy. That means to survive, we need food, because from food we get the energy. Saliva produced in salivary glands. What is salivary glands? Around our buccal cavity or mouth cavity, 6 glands are present which secrete saliva. That's why it is called salivary glands. Saliva is 98% water, but it contains many important substances including mucus, antibacterial compounds and various enzymes. The food mixes up with saliva inside buccal cavity. It makes food slippery and helps to swallow easily. Enzyme, chemical substance that speeds up the rate of chemical reaction in a living organism is called enzyme. Characteristics of enzyme. Number 1, such materials that mix with food and help the reaction but does not take part in it and remain unchanged. Number 2, the enzymes work well up to a certain temperature. Number 3, enzymes perform definite and specific functions such as trypsin acts on protein and convert it into amino acid. Enzyme present in saliva turns starch, one type of carbohydrate, into sugar named maltose. For this reason, when carbohydrates are chewed and kept inside the mouth, it tastes sweet. Tongue helps us to swallow food materials. From the last portion of mouth, 2 pipes grow inside the body. One is trachea, another is esophagus. This pipe-like structure is called esophagus. Food and water reach the stomach through esophagus. Digestive system. The system which takes part in digestion is called digestive system, or we may say easily, the organs which take part in digestion is called digestive system. In human, the digestive system includes the alimentary canal, which is called digestive canal, extending from the mouth to the anus, and the hormones and enzymes assisting in digestion. Parts of digestive system: mouth, buccal cavity, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine. Small intestine again divided into 3: duodenum, jejunum and ileum. Large intestine also divided into 3: cecum, colon and rectum. Finally, anus. There is a picture of digestive system of human. Stay at home, follow health rules. Thank you.